Welcome back to my channel, Get Fit with Chrissy. In today's video, guys, we're going to be doing some leg exercise to tone our legs and get it nice and sexy. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button so when I post, you'll be the first to know. And we're going to be doing 4 exercises, guys, and these are going to be 30 seconds long, okay? So for the first exercise, guys, it's called the low-leg calf raise. So I'm going to put the timer on. And for this, all you gotta do is just put your feet shoulder length, hinge back, and just reach up as high as you can, okay? So hinge back, reach up as high as you can. All right, so let's go.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and
guys, so moving into the next exercise, guys. This one is called the lateral lunge, okay? So for this exercise, we're gonna put our hands close to our chest, step off, and just hinge back, okay? Come back to starting position, then we're gonna switch. Step off, hinge back, move back to starting position, okay? So for this one, guys, we're gonna do 30 seconds, okay? So now we're moving into the other exercise, guys. This one is called the kneeling stepping up. So for this one, I'm going to turn to the side. So all you got to do is do down, down, up, and then just drive, okay? So down, down, up, and just drive, okay? So we're going to do this for 30 seconds. So let's go.
in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah.
All I gotta do is just to get into sumo position. See, my toes are pointed out. You're gonna lift your toes, put it down, come up, and then just stretch as high as you can, okay? So squat position, lift, go down, and stretch as high as you can, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I post, you'll be the first to know. See you in the next one.